What up, Cadillac Chexcalades? It's April 3rd. Still wearing the fleece. Still got the puffy on. Really cold still. The season is almost here, and you know, car guy, you got to do something new for this season. Just to change it up, have fun. Always something to do, right? But this year, the big project is MPars. I picked these joints up from a junkyard last fall. Yeah. No, 2 years. I picked these things up 2 years ago from the junkyard. They came off a 7 Series, E39 or E38. I don't know, 7 Series model number, chassis code, whatever. It came off a 7 Series. They were rough. And I've taken them this far. I filmed it, but I didn't really talk about it. So I figured, you know, before I dive into refinishing the faces, getting tires, test fitting them, all that stuff, I would go ahead and just make this video about how they got to this state. Because I do have the footage from getting them, like, basically in junkyard state to here. And polishing these lips was not easy. And I think a lot of people would find that really interesting. So this one's just kind of like a little time-lapse throwback from ancient footage showing you all how the wheels got here. And then later this week, hopefully it's gonna warm up a bit and we can start picking up the progress on them, sanding the faces, maybe even get into laying some paint.
I just think I'm having another ache attack. I like to smoke so much weed, it's a need. I gotta have blood in my system black. Laid back with a yak and a sack up and down with my Cadillac. To feel as a chill as opposed with a hose. Man, I'm so high, I feel like I'm about to float up in the clouds and touch the sky. Chronic has got me so damn it's amazing. I wanna smoke until I pass out. Get the mask out and let me hit it until this chronic knocks my ass out. I'ma crash out and sleep until morning. I'm yawning, so what can I say, mine? But a day, mine. I don't think that I can even go without smoking hate, mine. Don't pass me a swisher and let me slip in the middle and fill it with weed and lick it and light it and cheap it and pass it around to my crew, cause I know that you need red rum, niggas smoke bud by the pound and it's all good in the hood. We chillin' and cheap and hanging out in the Brookwood. My nigga, I figure I need more weed so that I can choke up in it and dreaming about that chronic. I wanna smoke.
I wanna roll, wanna chew, wanna smoke me a blunt. I wanna get fucked up. Wanna smoke, wanna choke, wanna get fucked up. I wanna roll, wanna chew, wanna smoke me a blunt. I wanna get fucked up. Wanna smoke, wanna choke, wanna get fucked up.
I'm smoking and chopping up blunts every day, cause psycho acts that way. The chicken is making me wicked and paranoid. I've gotta have that hate coming up out of the ground. It's about a pound and I'm gonna get so high. Pull out my papers and then other papers and sit back and let my brain fry. Nothing, no sex, numbers in my chest, my nigga, and I feel like I'm gonna choke. Blow me a gun unless it's a bomb, my nigga, let's fill our bodies with smoke. I'm falling in love, I'm feeling that bug, cause we finna party and get so up. I load up that night, cause if at the time that we finna ride and get fucked up. Let's grab us some root, now that's what we do. We slanging and banging up on the main strip. I'm getting so high, I cannot deny. I'm starting to think some crazy shit. We rollin' so clean, I'm hearing sirens. A nigga like me is so paranoid. I roll down the window and let at the end of those wicked ass cops. We tryna avoid, keep rolling the weed. You know it's a need, my nigga, I'm full of that Mary Jane. Cause it's the most wanted and I'ma stay blooded until I feel like I'm going insane. Keep rolling the twists, stay full of that reefer. And come with this don't get in your ride and lift to the side, my nigga, cause you know that I wanna smoke.
I wanna roll, wanna chew, wanna smoke me a blunt. I wanna get fucked up. Wanna smoke, wanna choke, wanna get fucked up. I wanna roll, wanna chew, wanna smoke me a blunt. I wanna
blunts, man. I'm smoking and choking them back to back. I'm on that blank, or do I just think I'm having another anchor attack? I like to smoke so much weed, it's a need. I gotta have bud in my system, black. Laid back with a yak and a sack of Venda with my Cadillac. Seville as a chill, as opposed to the hoes, man, I'm so hot. I feel like I'm about to float up in the clouds and touch the sky. The chronic has got me so dazed and amazed that I wanna smoke until I pass out. Get the mask out and let me hit it until this chronic knocks my ass out. I'ma crash out and sleep until morning. I'm yawning, so what can I say, mine? For a day, mine. I don't think that I can even go without smoking hate, mine. So pass me a switcher and let me split the middle and fill it with weed and lick it and lighter and cheaper and pass it around to my crew, cause I know that you need red rum, niggas smoke bud by the pound, and that's all good in the hood. We chillin' and cheapin', hanging out in the Brookwood. My nigga, I figure I need my weed so that I can choke. I'm feeding and dreaming about that chronic. I wanna smoke.
I wanna roll, wanna G, wanna smoke me a blunt. I wanna get fucked up. Wanna smoke, wanna joke, wanna get fucked up. I wanna roll, wanna G, wanna smoke me a blunt. I wanna get fucked up. Wanna smoke, wanna joke, wanna get fucked up. I wanna roll, wanna G, wanna smoke me a blunt. I wanna get fucked up. Wanna smoke, wanna joke, wanna get fucked up. I wanna roll, wanna G, wanna smoke me a blunt. I wanna get fucked up. Wanna smoke.
At the end of 1974, when Daddy Dukes went raw, the chosen sperm to explore and reach the egg for sure. A child through the birth canal on an 9-month trap. Released on this wild earth, my generation hit worse with my development arrested by the government. Younger niggas struggling, living life got me wondering. New shit I'm discovering. Yo son, I can't sleep. Situation so deep, my niggas drowning in the streets. Another rapist in store, and younger murderers walk. They got shit locked in a fort. $1.50 if you talks. Verbalizing hard times, find no ways to recline. Dedicated to the rhyme, blood and shades genuine. I survive hard times, prime time. As I rewind my thoughts and reminisce, sipping OE courts. Rest in peace to my peeps who died up in the streets. Fuck Halloween treats, cause ain't shit sweet.
Change. My life has changed, and I will never be the same. Change. My life has changed, and I will never be the
Growing
same.
up on these Brooklyn streets, it was hard for black teeth to make these motherfucking ends meet. The first store that closed up got stuck, and if you didn't give me your cash, I put one in somebody's gut. I ran buck wild through these streets with this crew of individuals, committing crimes well performed like a ritual. Until one day my mom tried to send me upstate to Job Corps. I didn't know what the fuck for, so I pulled out my pals and called up the nigga Al. What's the deal, son? It's been a fucking long while. He said, Yo, Black T, I had this dream about this cream. I'm going all out for mines by any fucking means. We grabbed our pen and pads and wrote about this world going mad and how times was getting real bad. But what we need to do is connect with the mother two and make that dream you had come true.
I'm out the front door, don't wanna deal with this bullshit no more. What for? I'm ready to throw this heart on the floor. Back in the days, yo, Ty had it all. Women on call, sex and whore, summer, winter, spring, and the fall. Then my moms broke out to get away from NY, no doubt. Then I settled down, made one girl a spouse. Should have known, couldn't replace moms. My heart rang the alarm, situation was the bomb. I roamed the streets, started smoking weed, drinking heinies, tapping heinies, writing words to rich beats. Became an everyday struggler, stereotyped the hustler, constant bother. Resided with my father, frequently talked with my mother. Reactions crazy, revenge thoughts maybe. Asking what am I doing here? Someone come save me, cause I feel I got no purpose. Stability, no surface, just different type moods with an attitude nervous. And no one is here to maintain my mind frame. Now I'm doing shit I never did before.
Change. My life has changed, and I will never be the same. Change. The world has changed, and it will never be the same. Brought up on green and patch, and never had no action. Every day I find myself in the same old fashioned.
All right, Cheddar Chexes. you just basically saw everything that I filmed, how the wheels got to where they are now. They're in good shape. They're gonna really, I think they're gonna bring the car, I don't want to say make it look better, but I think it'll look better. These wheels are nice, but I cannot drive on them. Full lock. I don't know what this car really is. Is it a driving car? Is it a show car? And I tried more of a show car-esque wheel fitment, and it's just not fun driving it. I want to be low. I want it to look tucked or fitted, whatever you want to say. I want it to be down there, but I can't get there on these wheels, and I think the MPars will just be a lot better all around. I'll be able to go lower, smaller tires. They won't rub. So that does it for this one. Peace.
Change, and it will never be the same. Change, just the world just change, and it will never be the same.